Okay. Hey guys, sound test, I forgot, but, this one's gonna be another balloon one. I'll be dropping this onto there. I really hope this doesn't break anything. So, you ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1. I really don't want to be slapped back by this thing. I really hate... I don't want to. Please. You know what? No. 3, 2, 1. What the fuck? It bounced back! What the fuck? It bounced back! You bitch! Look at that. How the fuck? How? Okay. I thought we were going to be using blunt force, but I guess we're just going to be using sharp stuff. Oh, I think I have the right thing. Just for the job. Now it's time to pop this thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, what the fuck? Pop, you dumbass.